Mid-December marked the beginning of winter, and the cold was unforgiving. That's when they noticed her, a mother dog walking through the freezing streets, a trash bag clutched in her mouth. They followed her and quickly understood why. She wasn't scavenging for herself. She was searching for food for her babies. She had found a small corner to shelter them, trying desperately to keep them warm, but she knew it wouldn't be enough. The cold was too strong. The rescuers decided they couldn't walk away. They started with biscuits and dog food, then milk. Then she did something incredible.